Yo, what is up guys? It is Cameron back once again coming at you with a brand new review. Today we have an interesting product. We have the XPUMP by XRound. And what this small little audio device does is it enhances your overall audio experience. And what I mean by that is you plug in any headphone or speaker system into this tiny little device and it fine-tunes it and tweaks it with its various settings to give you a better overall audio experience. So even if you have a cheaper system, theoretically it's supposed to enhance that and make that audio experience better for you. So if you're interested in checking this out further, visit the links in the description down below. I'll have links to their website and everything down there. It retails for $119 on their website, so it's definitely not cheap. But in this video I'm going to be walking you through every detail of this product and giving you my feedback after using it so you can decide for yourself whether it's something that you're interested in buying. Let's start off the video by taking a look at what comes in the packaging when you purchase the product. The first thing that you're going to get is going to be the quick start guide. This obviously just shows you how to set up the device and its various uses. You're going to get a USB to micro USB cable to charge and power the device. You're going to get an auxiliary cable to plug in your laptop or your phone. And then finally you are going to get a cinch bag to carry the device and also the cables. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the device itself. And as you can see, it's a really small form factor device. I love this because it means it's extremely portable. You're able to take it around with you to use it at your computer, your Xbox, while you're on the go on your phone. I love the small form factor. Now the first thing that you're going to notice on the front is going to be that large button, and what that button does is it allows you to cycle through the various effects that the XRound offers. The first effect, when it lights up just white, is a detail booster that's focused for really more music listeners. It's just a detail booster to enhance that audio, when you're listening to music. When you swap it to level 2, which is the orange light around it, this is a full-scale enhancement designed for movies and also for games. So it really enhances that cinematic experience, although you can also use it for music. And those are the two different effects that the XRound offers. Moving to the bottom of the device, we have several different things down here. The first thing being your independent audio controls. You are able to control the volume of your music right through this device, which is fantastic. And then you have your headphone and your speaker settings, and these settings are really important because it does affect the audio whether you are listening through headphones or through speakers, and the device makes the adjustments based on that setting. So make sure that if you're using headphones, you have it on the headphone mode, and if you're using a speaker, then have it on the speaker mode, because it does affect the overall quality of the audio. Then if you look on the top and the sides of the device, you have the input at the very top to charge the device and power it. And then on either side, you have your audio in and your audio out. So where you're going to plug up your headphones or your speakers, and then your input device, whether that be your computer or your iPhone. Now getting this device up and running is extremely easy. All you have to do is plug the USB into the wall, into your phone, into any USB power device, and then obviously plug it into the XPUMP. Then plug in whatever input device you're using, whether that be your phone or your computer. And then finally you plug in whatever output device you're using, whether that be headphones or speakers. And like I said previously, make sure to change the mode to headphone mode or speaker mode based on the device you're using, because you do want the XPUMP to be able to give you the best audio enhancement possible, and it does change the settings based on the device that you are listening on. So make sure that you make those necessary adjustments whenever you are using this device. And once you've got everything plugged up and ready to go, you can cycle through the settings like I mentioned before, whether it be setting number 1, which is really for music, or the cinema setting. You can decide for yourself which one sounds best. And right now I'm actually going to give you guys a little bit of an audio test using this device. So I'm going to show you a sample without it, with setting number 1, and then with setting number 2. Keep in mind, I'm recording this with a Blue Snowball microphone, so it's not going to be the most accurate representation. I went back and listened to it, and it definitely sounds a lot different in person, if that makes sense. It doesn't sound as big of a difference through the microphone, but I can guarantee you in person it sounded a lot different. So I'll play those clips now and you can decide for yourself if there is a difference. Alright, so after using this product with both my headphones for gaming and just overall general computer use, and then also on my Xbox, I'll give you my final thoughts on it. I think that the XPUMP is a good product. It definitely does enhance your audio experience. Is it going to turn your $10 earphones into $200 sounding earphones? Definitely not. What it does is it does provide a better audio experience slightly. So if you are one of those people that really is able to hear different things in your music, different things while you're playing games, they'll say you're listening to footsteps in games, like this is definitely going to enhance that. And I think the main benefit of this is the small form factor. You're able to really transport this anywhere, so you can move it from your desktop setup out to your living room very easily, and it is going to enhance that overall experience. Now you're gonna have to decide for yourself if it's worth $100 to you, but for me, it definitely does make a noticeable change in the quality. It gets a little bit more out of your speaker or your headphones than you otherwise would be able to. And with it just being so small, I don't have to have a huge audio setup back there and then a different setup out in my living room. If I want to play games here one day and then move it out and play Xbox another day, I can definitely do that. So that small form factor, I think, is really what sets this apart and makes it worth it in my eyes. But anyways, if you're interested in checking it out, like I said, visit the links in the description down below. I have links to their website down there where you can check them out further and decide if you are interested in purchasing one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content. I'm going to be uploading weekly from here on out. I do reviews, unboxings, and just overall general tech videos. Also, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, leave a like rating on the video. I'll leave all that stuff in the description down below, so check down there. But otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in my next video. See ya.